What is up, Ticklers? Welcome back to the channel. And you know what? I just got a call from Bo Gnar Garage, and he told me to meet him at a Kroger parking lot. So, we're gonna go see what this man has in store. So I'll catch you guys at the Kroger parking lot. We are here at Kroger. We got a Koolaid pool, and we got the homies. We're gonna calm down.
And salty. Man, they're excited.
Hey, do cannonball.
Alright, I gotta just pop up and do it.
Oh, he hit my ass.
Dude, are you okay?
My ass is a little numb now.
You'll be fine. Yeah, we only got a little bit of a squat and a little bit of a leak.
There's gonna be a little bit of an ant problem here after we leave.
Nah, we'll be okay. We're gonna try to get some people that roll by to see if they want to join us. What you looking at?
Good to be bothered. Brother?
All right, we're gonna go over to a neighborhood pool and see if we can get people in our pool because it's better. We got Koolaid.
What's the Koolaid? What's the Koolaid?
He didn't want any Koolaid, so let's go see if anyone who's swimming wants it. Hey, we don't need them.
They up there?
No,
We got them. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about
They're
it.
good.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. What pool are we going to?
I don't fucking know. I'm lost. I thought we were too. Hey, we got a pool full of Koolaid if y'all want to get in this pool instead. Any takers?
Free candy too.
Okay. Yeah, calm down, buddy. It's full of Koolaid. Oh, we're not a Mr. Beast cop. You take that back.
Man, this is a cool parking lot, buddy. I like the round thing around it.
What's up with the red lines? What's that mean?
That means emergency parking. This is an emergency Koolaid truck.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
We're moving pools. We just got truck.
Hi.
Man, I needed this.
There may be a food truck there, but we got a Koolaid truck here.
Yeah, we're the beverage truck.
Yeah.
Oh, they got tacos, bro.
Dude, you got your wallet, don't
You
you?
got your wallet.
Why don't you go get some tacos for
Dude,
us?
they might sell drinks there too. But they don't got Koolaid.
Tacos, bro. How do you know that?
Oh, you're good.
You want to take a dip in here?
It's nice. It's Koolaid, dude.
Koolaid. It keeps it cool. It's cherry
Koolaid. Of course.
Marinade.
That's awesome. That's why you have straws?
Yeah, dude, this is my straw here.
What's wrong with that? Drinking your homie's Kool-Aid water? Nothing wrong with that.
You want to get tacos.
Dude, I think my truck just went right there, raised up a few inches. Sir, out of the pool.
What the fuck is sharp right here?
Out. Come on. Out. Out. Come on. Out.
No.
Come on. Out.
No.
Out.
No.
Out.
No.
Out.
No.
Guys, I don't think this is the right spot to do it.
Come on. Out.
I will throw you out of my pool. This is my pool. Get out. Get out. No. 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 Yep.
Yeah.
Now we're out of here. Last chance to take a dip.
Man, last chance, bro.
You don't want it?
Hey, my boy's got it going on.
Hell yeah. Go sub to Tickler Nick on YouTube. Hey, just throw him in the bed.
Huh?
Hey, you can just toss him in here. Yeah. Oh. We're good. I don't even think.
Easy out here. See ya, man.
It's like my color.
As you can see, this is Bo Gnar Garage's flip-flop. You know what I think of this? Hey, Bodie.
Wait, where are you?
You looking in the mirror, buddy? You see me? You see what this is? All right.
Can't be straight red.
Think so?
We have returned, and now are we gonna put any more water in it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Put water in it, dude.
We're gonna refill it. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna go hit a car wash. All right, guys. As you can see, we're in the Koolaid pool. We're out on the street, and we're going through a car wash. Is that right?
Car wash.
Yeah. Let's go hit the car wash.
Bro, imagine wearing a mask inside your car.
Hi. Hi. We got Kool-Aid! You want some? Alright guys, we are getting a little dirty here. The water is filthy. He's wearing goggles. I'm wearing my straw mask. That means one thing. We're at the car wash and we're about to go through.
All right. Look behind us.
Jesus. We just made it through the car wash. It was an experience. You guys saw it. Now we're on our way back to home base because we don't want the cops called on us. So. What's up, bro?
Another large Dr. Pepper.
Large Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
Anything else?
I'll take a large Sprite.
Large Sprite?
Zeb, you don't get anything. Yep.
And then a Oreo McFlurry.
Okay.
We said drinks.
You can believe that.
Hey, Wyatt, go get it, bro. You're closest. I will take my Sprite. Dude, it's gonna tip. Your Dr. Pepper's gonna lose. Bye.
Zeb,
Dude, you're dip.
Zeb, help us out,
Support it, dude. Got a nice McDonald's Sprite. And we're back at the Kroger parking lot again. And we're just gonna vibe a little bit, you know, see if anyone wants to jump. All right.
Traded with Kool-Aid.
Well, my phone's about to die, and I gotta film the finale, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone away, and I'll catch you guys at the finale. All right, so we were driving past that way, and a cop passed us, and he was going towards where we were. I'm sure someone called the cops on us. So we're hiding now, and then we're gonna go off-roading. So just thought I'd fill you guys in. Quit fucking flashing me, I got a phone.
Yeah, dude.
All right, well, no sign of the cop. We're gonna go ahead and get a move on again. So let's get, oh my goodness. Let's get this party started, fellas. Shoo!
It's Kool-Aid. It's Kool-Aid.
Yeah, we got Kool-Aid back here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yep.
That was water.
Nope, it's Kool-Aid. Look, it's red. Huh?
Where's the margaritas?
Not. We had the little Kool-Aid drinks as well.
Oh, dude, we got more Kool-Aid. Get it.
Oh, we got more Kool-Aid.
Y'all want some Kool-Aid?
You want some Kool-Aid?
Yeah, buddy.
Y'all did good.
Thank you.
Thank you. There we go.
Jesus! Woo! All right, we are here in the middle of a little field. We got the Kool-Aid pool. We're gonna do some donuts, and then we're gonna go driving down that road over there and release the latch while we're inside and let it go with the pool. So let's do that. Hey, we're done. We got no more water. Jeez.
Holy shit!
All right, go ahead, Zeb. Get that out of here. Well, Mr. Gnar,
Yeah.
thank you for inviting me along on this journey. And thank you for being a great cameraman, Wyatt. Zeb, thank you just for looking so cute in those goggles and providing me some company.
You're well.
And you know what? If you guys enjoyed the video, we'll probably be doing some more stuff like this in the near future. with other stuff, all thanks to this guy. I want you to check out his video that he's gonna upload on his channel. I'll link him in the description and the comments.
Bo Gnar Garage.
Bo Gnar Garage, go give him a sub. He's the one who sponsored this video. And without further ado, I'm gonna end the video and have a good one.